The Galaxy A80 changes the way you document your life. With a triple camera that can pan and rotate to capture what's going on in front of you and behind you, now you have one camera that can record both sides to capture all the moments in your life. Camera designed for live recording, not just for selfies. Capture your story in greater detail. The 48MP Galaxy A80 camera produces images with super sharp and clear resolution for moments worth capturing. The difference is obvious when you vlog and stream your daily adventures. Stay comfortable even if you hold it for a long time. 24/7 live streaming requires that you have a smartphone that is comfortable in your hand. The subtle curves on the Galaxy A80 are designed to make it easier to use. Its eye-catching design features a glass and metal frame that's easy to hold in your hand all day long. You will stand out with modern classics like Phantom Black, Angel Gold, Ghost White. Powerful battery that keeps you going live. For you to live in an always-on world, you need power, connect, stream, and share with a 3,700 mAh battery tip and long-lasting 25W super fast charging technology to share your stories. Tap and operate with your fingerprint. Scene Optimizer. Improve the quality of your photos. The display screen is designed for live. Share, stream, and play faster. Thank you for watching. Please help support us through your comments, and don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. I hope our video is useful.